I'm vlogging. Today's Sunday. Today's Sunday. It's probably not even morning. It's like almost 1 p.m. It's almost 1 p.m. We got back last night from Minneapolis. We went to see my parents and went to spend the week with them because of Father's Day and my dad's birthday, which was yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw it, but I will insert pictures of like the cake and the setup my little sister and I did for my dad. But yeah, I don't even remember the last time I vlogged. But yeah, gonna make breakfast for us, and today's agenda is to finish braiding my hair. I started braiding my hair Friday night, and yeah, I got through the front half yesterday. Like I got through this side on Friday, I got through this side yesterday on our drive back, and then the goal is to try to finish today. So you guys may or may not see that. And then I have to go to our leasing office to pick up my textbooks that just came, because my classes start tomorrow, Monday. I finished my other classes, my first half of summer. I finished it on Friday. I passed with an A in my marketing class and a B in my management information systems class. So yeah, and then the next classes that I have are finance and oil and gas accounting, and I'll tell you guys more about that later. But yeah, so gonna make breakfast now or find something to eat. And y'all, like, this is real life. So we're moving out and our apartment is a hot mess. And in case y'all haven't noticed from any of my previous videos, it's a luxury apartment, but it's a galley style. That's what they call it. So it's just like one huge long thing that goes all the way back. And I'm gonna do an apartment tour. Probably gonna film it today if I can clean up, but I need to film the apartment tour between today or tomorrow before we start packing everything, because we have to move out next week. But yeah, like, there goes our suitcases from just coming back, and we took our sheets and our air mattress. So it's a hot mess. Guys, I'm so tired. I don't even remember how to vlog anymore. It's been a while, like from what you guys are seeing now and the last clips that y'all saw, it's been like over a week. But yeah, so I'm gonna get us something to eat, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and in between I'll clean up. But like, I need to do laundry, need to get ready for school, need to get ready for the work week, and need to start packing. Like, I'm gonna start packing our coat closet back there. That's the first thing I'm gonna handle, and then pack the bathroom. And then one day, sometime this week, I have to pack up the kitchen. Babe?
Yes?
Do you think we should get bins or boxes? I was thinking of going to Walmart and getting those plastic bins so that we can just be reusing them.
I don't know. I think boxes are more suitable because they're cheaper. If you have bins,
We don't have that much stuff.
we're gonna need the space to store the bins.
But when we put everything in storage.
I do not know yet.
Alright, yeah, but anyway, guys, we have to figure that out too, as to if we're gonna get boxes, if we're gonna get bins. We need to find a storage unit today. We just have a lot to do because we literally have a week until we have to turn in our keys. So yeah, fun times ahead of us, but I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna make food. When they don't appreciate you, oh, you don't appreciate me. When they appreciate you. No, I just put it. Oh, God. Come on.
That's your question, I mean?
Yeah, you can ask, but I'm just saying. Of course I wouldn't do that. Alright, I have to get away from there for a little bit just because of the noise, but breakfast is almost done. Honestly, this is real life, guys. So I have that right there. That pile of laundry needs to be done. This needs to be cleaned up. Need to clean my bathroom. Start taking stuff out of there. Need to start organizing, and then like I have like cleaning stuff. I have cleaning stuff and I have hair stuff over there that I need to do. Oh my gosh, guys, this is gonna be like the longest week ever with trying to pack and stuff. So yeah, but I'll see you guys. Babe, do we have ketchup?
But the shit you ran out.
Dang, you don't got nothing.
That's the thing, we don't have anything, so we can live whatever we want. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my hair now. I did all this and now I have to do these two sections. Hey guys, so I think today's today's not Tuesday. Let's see. Today's Monday. Today's Monday. I finally finished. I'm finally done with my braids. And now I'm just going to dip it in hot water. Usually you want to put hot water so it can seal the hair and so that it does not unravel. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and join this growing family, and I will see you guys in my next video.